In this video, we will introduce how to dispense and adjust the joint. So after program and adjust the pressure and dry, then we can start to dispense. We just need to click start. Then we can see it will dispense automatically. So we can see the 2 point is not coincide. So we can change the move height offset and move end offset, one of them, to adjust the joint. For example, we can add 2 millimeter for the height or move height offset, and then we can have a try again. Okay, now we click start again. So we can see now this joint is perfect. And meanwhile, we can also change this parameter move set time, and this parameter will change the position of the beginning point. For example, if you set it to 2, and the beginning point will from here to here. So that's all.